Hey everyone, welcome back. Listen, today I'm just providing a few helpful tips. If you are transgender and you've gone through the process of filing your legal name change and gender marker, and you waited for God knows how long they made you wait, and they finally get around to granting your petition, you're going to have some work to do afterwards. And it's a bit, because no one's going to do it for you, especially under this evil regime. So, first thing is first, you're going to need, after you got your forms, you got your certified copies, you're going to want to go to the Social Security office. And mind you, they're manned by, they got some serious assholes for security. I got to tell you, they really gave me a hard time today. I wasn't too happy about it, but you got to just deal with it. So, the deal with them, make an appointment. Make an appointment online first. Otherwise, if you go there, you're going to be sitting there for about a half hour just to be told they're not going to see you. Now, mind you, there were only 6 people sitting in the entire, I mean, it was a ghost town. They had people sitting at the windows. Literally, one person was filing their nails, and another person I could literally see they're on their phone. They're looking at what looked like Facebook. Oh, God. I can't believe this shit. They said, we just can't see you today. You're going to need to make an appointment. And then, of course, they're going to dead name you and say, and when you protest, they say, well, you have to understand, you know, your file hasn't been updated yet. They said, yeah, but I got my court order right here, bitch. And still, they're going to do it. So just brace yourself for that. If you know it's coming, just deal with it. Just roll with it, okay? Because not much you can do about it. So, now that I got that out of the way, you're going to need to do that first because you're going to need that information in order to go to the DMV. Next, get your driver's license. That's going to be part 2. Now, that part shouldn't be so difficult. Go to a DMV if you're in California. In California, you still get to have the non-binary marker. Or if you have had SRS and you want to have that F marker and you've got the paperwork, you can still get it. And as far as our flaky ass governor who can't decide if he's on our side or he's against us, God, I can't tell which way this guy's flip flopping. You know, you'll want to get your paperwork in, and you'll want to update your license, and especially if your looks have changed rather dramatically, like mine has. I don't look a goddamn thing like my old license, and you ain't going to ever see it. All right. After that's done, the next step is you're going to, if your court petition has said required you to get a new birth certificate, then they're only giving you 30 days from that point on to get it done, or at least to get it started. So if you are, again, in the state of California, you're going to want to go to the amend correct birth record page, and they will give you, at least they should give you information on that. If anything, let me give you the link for that. And that is amend/correct birth record : space, and now this is capital V as in Victor, S as in Sam, 23 / capital VS like Victoria's Secret /24 space lowercase AND space capital V as in Victor, S as in Sam like Victoria's Secret 20. That is the link. That is the link you'll need to get your, at least to get the correct forms. Get that started. It's supposed to be done with the state registrar's office. Now, I don't particularly know where the fuck that is, so I'm going to have to find out. Hopefully, they're not going to be that big a pain in the ass. Okay, so next, after you got those 3 major steps done, you're going to want to take care of your banks. You're going to want to take care of credit cards. You have IRAs, 401ks, health savings, pensions. You're going to want to update that. You're going to need to update your Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Yeah, big pain in the ass, huh? If you're still working, work, payroll, stocks, brokerage, money markets, bonds, mutual funds, hey, other investments. Hey, don't mention that stuff on the side. Okay, land, other real properties. Have you insurance, health, renter, power, life, immunities, cables, bills, trust, ooh, ah, oh, what a pain in the ass, your doctors, your hospital visits, and all that other post office, library, voter registration, IRS, and all that fucking jazz from the goddamn bills and utilities and California State Franchise Tax Board, whatever, but you're going to need to get it done. Passports. Now, as you are aware, Trump has fucked us in the ass, and he's fucked us hard with this shit. None of us can fucking travel unless you're willing to go with an M marker and dead named and potentially have problems, both not only overseas or across the border, but when you return home. They are planning to fuck with you. So, my advice to you is to wait. Fill your papers out. If you've got the old papers that still have the non-binary marker, check that off, but wait until we win our court case and they say, go for it, file it, do it. So put that on standby. So birth certificates, again, CDPH space amend space A space birth space record. You'll want to click on that. And that's what you're going to need to do. And again, some of these agencies, maybe, depending on who you get, will be nice to you about it, and some will be rather douchey. And definitely, the SSA, oh my God, their security. It's like, you want to get mad, and you really want to go off on them, but at the same time, you got to say, well, these poor souls, this is the height of their fucking career. Well, to better tidings. Anyway, folks, I got to run. Please take my advice. If you don't get a checklist, refer back to this video when you get your paperwork, okay? And good luck to you all. You fought hard for this. You waited your whole life. You deserve this. Make it happen, okay? And remember, you're going to have to do this because no one's going to do it for you. And that's a sad fact. But the fact that you still can, and J.D. Vance and those gang of criminals in Washington haven't made it illegal, means you still have time. Okay, babies, take care. Love you all. We'll see you soon.